Yes, I am trying on the wide wig grip band. It says it brings your wig extreme sense of security, and it's from Dreamlover. I just got it in the mail today, and I think this one was probably about $15-20. I didn't get the one that was like $29-30. It says no more wig slipping embarrassment, build confidence from wig security, and then it gives you the instructions on the back. It fits kind of snug. So it's supposed to make your wig not slip, and you don't have to worry about it hurting your ears or anything because it's right up there. I could pull it up just a tad bit. Just pull it up just a little bit so it's not touching my ears or anything like that. I normally have on this wig cap from Love Me, but I decided to try something different to just see how it would do. So I'll be back in just a moment. I'm going to put my wig on and I'm going to test it out, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and oh my God, y'all, this Dreamlover wide grip band. Look at this. You know, Love Me is already secure because it has the band, and it also have the two combs on the side and the combs in the back. But with the no slip band, I don't have to put the combs in. The combs are not in at all, and you have to adjust it because I think they said sometime if your head is like it, you have to adjust it to your size of your head circumference. Because sometimes I did read some of the comments where it said a smaller head is sometimes it's hard to keep it on. So if you do try it, make sure you adjust it to your head circumference. I had to loosen it up just a little bit from what I previously put on, because when I put this back on, baby, it was really secure and tight to the point where I had to take it off and readjust. So you may need to readjust, but I love this. I'm gonna be getting some more of these and trying them out, and I'm in the process of getting my TikTok store up and running. So I will be having products available, different beauty products. Of course, not my beauty business, but some beauty products will be available in the future for you all to purchase, or if I have someone that wants me to try something on, I will, try something out, review it. I'll be doing those type of things as well. I like it, but I did have to readjust it. So I'm going to wear it for a few days and see how I like it. And I'll be back in probably a week or so and let you all know once I test it out, like in, going out and in public and things like that, exactly how it lasts all day. Because that's what I want to know, is about the wearability of how it feel throughout the day when you're working or out and about. Okay, this is KG Beauty Within, your MK Beauty Bestie, and also just your beauty bestie, bringing you some more tips on just how to keep your wig secure. And this is a Love Me. Y'all know I love Me. Stay tuned. I do have a Timu wig that I'm going to be reviewing pretty soon. So stay tuned, okay? I'll talk to you all soon. Bye-bye.